everyone? Welcome to day 6 of Vlogsgiving. I'm posting every day for the month of November. Well, I'm gonna try to. With that being said, as you can see behind me, we are now home. We are now back in San Diego, California. If you guys missed the previous videos, we just picked up my new to me 2006 Corvette Z06. This thing is cammed and everything. As you guys can hear it in the background, it's crazy. We literally road tripped this car from Seattle, Washington, all the way down here to San Diego, California. Was such a cool road trip and experience. So if you guys have not seen that, be sure to check it out. For this video, these are actually old clips. So these clips came from back when we were in Tennessee for Slammed It Up Gatlinburg. These clips just never made it into a video. I did not have a video for today because your boy was tired from this long road trip. So these clips came in clutch. Honestly, still made such a sick video. So, but yeah, a little break from the Corvette content. We're going back to my roots in this one. If you guys remember, this is my old BRZ. If you guys are new, I gave this BRZ away and literally the winner is right there. So it's cool seeing this thing in GAT. And also we linked up with Alex. I want to do a video on his car today. He has something special under the hood, which we'll show you guys soon. V3 kit, Pandem, my favorite kit of all time. Got the work wheels, this thing is bagged. As much as I love this 300 kit, honestly, this kit, in my opinion, is the best looking kit on the market. It's so surreal seeing this thing. It's weird because I would always let my friends drive my cars, so it literally feels like this right now. I feel like he's like one of my friends driving one of my cars. It's just weird seeing it like not in my ownership. Everything is the same, untouched, nothing has changed. Got the P&L turbo kit. This is wild, bro. I'm sure you guys are getting a kick out of seeing this thing. Like, oh my gosh, man. You got like people taking pictures and stuff. Bro, people love the cars here. Breaking necks, bro.
I know, hey. I'm driving down the street. They're like, hey, Chris.
Bro, I want to know like the vlog.
I'm like Chris.
Bro, the vlog wants to know like how has it been like owning it, dude? Like, I'm sure everybody watching is probably like, how is it owning this car now? Like, how's it been, bro?
It's unreal. Like it doesn't. I feel like it's still your car.
Really, dude?
Sometimes I'm like, okay, it's time to give it back to you. It's always breaking necks. People always complimenting it. I'm like, damn, I bet it took you forever to build this. How much it costs? I'm like, $399.
You just won it for the t-shirt. Yeah, if you guys want to follow this car, you know, or you've been wondering where it's been, I'll put his at right here on the screen. But yeah, man, it's so cool. Alright, made it to a nice little secluded area. We're kind of like in the middle between Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Nice little cruise. Thing sounds amazing, dude. I love it. But yeah, this is Alex's car. It's definitely something special. You'll see right now once he pops the hood. You want to pop the hood, bro? Like I said, this is like what I've wanted to do to an FRS all along. You guys will see in a second. I've talked about it a lot. Wow. Yeah, definitely not your typical FRS, huh?
No, a little Chevrolet in there, huh?
A little Chevy, yeah. Yeah, pretty much what's done to it, dude.
This is a 5.3 out of a van, actually.
A van, really?
Yeah.
What was it, like a Chevy what?
It's just like a 01 Chevy van is what I was told, so.
That's interesting.
It's a 5.3. I got a Texas speed cam, chopper cover in it. LS7 lifters, 706 heads, LS2 intake. And then it's paired up to a T56 Magnum F.
Okay. And you told me a Sicky kit.
All that. Yeah, so the full Sicky swap kit.
They got the Sicky stuff.
Intake headers, all the mounts. They made it really easy. W kit. Yeah. And then the wiring specialties, wiring harness.
That's one thing I heard about these Sicky kits is like it's just so plug and play, literally. I've been so like worried on doing an engine swap, but like hearing you talk about it, it just seems so simple.
So I was so paranoid about the wiring.
Yeah.
And honestly, that was like so easy. It was.
Yeah. Literally plug and play, huh?
Yeah, dash works like it should. Everything works like a stock Scion FRS.
That's crazy. So do you have like this like stock diff and like stock drive shaft, all that
still
stuff?
stock rear end. Sicky swap kit comes with its own drive shaft.
Oh, okay.
For the swap. So, but stock rear end for now. Stock axles. Everything's holding up fine, you know.
Yeah. Wow. Your exhaust is just full, like no residue, nothing, literally.
No, nothing right now. Yeah, it's just straight pipe.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna add a muffler in there or a resonator somewhere because it is rowdy. But I wanted to kind of keep it rowdy for this event, like have fun, you know.
I feel like a V8 should sound like that too.
Yeah, low key.
A little rowdy. This is always something I wanted to do. I'm just always so like confused about like engine swaps. Like it seems so scary, you know, like so much to it.
My first one. I learned a lot. There's a lot of stuff I can clean up.
Like if you want to do this to your car, like how much would it be? So say if someone had like a stock FRS and they're like, I want a LS swap or whatever, like swap.
So I went a little bit cheaper with the used motor off of Facebook. I'm about 17 into this swap as it sits.
17,000?
Yeah, about
okay.
17.
I'm sure it's like, if you're to pay a shop, that'd be like what?
Oh yeah, I'm sure
5,000 more in labor.
Yeah,
It would be crazy.
He
Definitely saved a lot of money doing it himself. So I want to.
Rewarding experience.
Oh yeah, for sure. I guess it's safe to say like 20 G's in probably would be like average. This thing is just beautiful, man. Literally everything, like V3 kit is the best kit in my opinion. Got the work wheels, it's bagged, and then just to top it off, bro, it's swapped.
But
Literally freaking perfect. This is the perfect FRS in my opinion. We're gonna go for a little ride along. He's gonna start it up. He sounds so crazy.
You guys are here.
Yeah. Wow. Chopping, bro. Guys, oh my gosh, dude. Nuts, dude. Oh my. It's so weird. Like I'm expecting to see a Corvette. Like I'm expecting to see a Corvette or something, but you just see a freaking FRS chopping. That's so sick. Got the starlights in here too.
that was the first thing I did.
That was the first thing you did?
Yeah, for real.
That's sick. It's just so weird, like hearing a V8 coming from this car. Like I'm so used to just like FRSs, you know?
It's definitely surreal. Like just driving around like on a normal day in town, and everybody's like, "What is that?" That's been the biggest question I get. It's like, "Is that you chopping?" I'm like, "Yeah."
Like we passed by a couple Corvettes on the way here, and they're like breaking their necks. They're like, "Yo, what the heck?"
That's the funniest part. Everybody's reaction.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, it's definitely torquey compared to an FRS, bro. That's wild.
It's way more fun in the lower speeds.
Yeah.
I guess with just the solid mounts and stuff, sometimes the higher speeds it gets kind of like vibrating. I don't know.
You can like feel it though, like definitely with those mounts, like it's kind of like vibrating in a way.
Yeah.
But it's cool though.
It's just like raw kind of.
Yeah. I mean, for most people, this would be like fully built, you know, kind of in a way.
Yeah.
But do you have like any other plans? Like,
So I've been looking at like half cage setups. Really.
half cage?
Cool. I think they're cool, honestly.
Yeah.
And then big brake kit is definitely going to be on my list. Add some better brakes to it. I want to boost it or something. I don't know. That'd be cool. I never had a boosted car, so I feel like
that'd be wild.
I feel like a turbo or even some nitrous would definitely wake this thing up a lot more.
That about a supercharger, or maybe you just want a turbo?
Low key, I just thought about turbo.
Turbo,
I don't know.
The turbo sounds, huh?
Boost, yeah. Boost.
Can never go wrong with a V8, bro. This thing sounds amazing. Bro, honestly, this is like all you need, bro.
Yeah,
like a freaking
perfect.
V8 and an FRS. This is so cool.
That's
Oh
crazy.
snap, look at that thing.
It's actually staying on cap.
Oh, he is? Oh,
Yeah,
sick.
passive floor.
Oh my gosh. That sound is just amazing, bro.
Can't beat it.
Literally. Bro, I freaking want to piece together a swap like right when I get home, bro. This is crazy. Dude, appreciate it, man. Thank you for letting me check it out, you know? Well, what do you guys think, man? Should we do it? Definitely super convincing being like passenger. 'Cause I never really got to experience an LS swap, you know, first gen, so I don't know. Think I should do it, bro?
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
I think you should.
Dude, I'm excited. We'll definitely do this sometime soon.
Yes, bro. That's just fast as fuck. You
Bro,
left me behind, bro.
You left me behind? Damn, you dusted the beersy?
He was gone 1 second.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment. It was so cool seeing Alex's car in action. Like I said, I've always wanted to like experience a full LS swap. It's cool seeing his car and then obviously my old BRZ next to each other. It's literally the same color. But yeah, man, go ahead and follow Alex if you guys want to follow more on his build. see what he does to it and see his car more in action. I'll put his ad right here on the screen. But such a sick car, man. Show him some love. Well, look who we ran into, guys. We got Austin out in Tennessee, bro. It's good to see you again, dude. Finally got to see his car fully built. Damn, bro, how's it been, dude? This thing is crazy.
It's been good. I'm at like 6,000 miles on the swap.
6,000?
And the only issue I've had was an alternator went out. That's like the least of my concerns with the car making this much power.
For all the, I guess, new people that haven't seen it, what even is this?
So this is my
It's not your typical freaking GR motor right here. Like
GR86, a BMW N54 swap. So I'm a big N54 guy, 335i guy. And I think they're really good engines if you do the right stuff to them. So
nice little fusion. I know everybody want to know how much power.
Everyone wants so much power.
I know, literally. Well, what's your like guess?
I've never had it on a dyno, but I would say probably. I really don't want to say because I like race people.
All right, we can keep it. We can bleep it out.
I'm gonna say it, but bleep it out.
Okay.
So it makes like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, that's too much for this chassis. Yeah.
I've convinced people that the car makes like 400 horsepower.
Bro, really?
Yeah.
That's funny. Just to keep it low key.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun though, dude. I'll send you a clip to throw in just for 2 years.
I'll put some clips on the screen, all these reels and stuff.
It works really, really well. The car's got surprisingly good street manners. Her and I take it to dinner all the time.
That's crazy.
It's not bad, dude.
Just Arizona things, just casually taking this to freaking dinner. Bro, California would never, like, we can't even do an intake, and it's just like, you're over here with a freaking hood exit.
We got pulled over once, and it's because the cop wanted to check the car out. So.
But yeah, dude, I definitely miss having, like, my second gen posted up with this. It was so long ago. Back when your car was...
Early 2 years in January.
Damn, 2 years already. Yeah. I think your car was red. Yeah, it was red when we first linked. Be like,
remember that clip when we first met? I was drifting around that corner with
yeah, I was like the first dude. That's, oh my gosh, that was so long ago. Definitely has come a long way.
Put in the comments if you want Chris to build another 86,
dude.
First gen or second gen.
I was talking about earlier in this video, like it's coming, dude. Like I'm set on getting another one. So
and we're gonna swap it.
That's like one of the first things I want to do.
We're gonna do in Arizona, and we're gonna do like a 3-day swap, start to finish.
Whole weekend?
Weekend swap. We're gonna do a thing on it, and we can make Chris's car go from not swap to running and driving.
Dude,
done
literally. That's literally the goal, bro. This is crazy, man. This car's came a long way. It's easily, not even, I've always told you, this is the freaking sickest.
I appreciate it.
Sickest on the freaking internet, bro. I don't even think I would change a thing on it.
I don't know what, maybe wheels, but even that, I like these wheels. So.
I was gonna ask, people want to know, like, what is even next, dude? Like,
I think
there's not really much to do left. But
little things here and there. I want to do a half cage, you know, like little like mirrors, you know, stuff like that. Overall, like big stuff, it's done.
Yeah,
you know?
It's literally, bro, it's perfect as is. It's literally a piece of art. Sad that I'm not in a freaking second gen right next to his car, but I guess the Mustang will do. They kind of match.
Yeah, black and black.
But yeah, content definitely coming soon. Bro, it's been overdue since I've been to Arizona, so gotta link up over there soon. Just want to show you guys Austin's car, somewhat final form, you know, now that it's running. But
things, every time like you show it, it's so significant.
Literally, literally.
So this time it's actually done. The only changes are just gonna be small stuff.
Yeah.
Forward.
Once I go to Arizona, get some like driving stuff.
I'm gonna let Chris drive it. I'm gonna turn it all the way up and like.
Bro, no. I'm probably gonna go to like 3,000 RPM. That's the most I'm gonna do with your car.
Dude, we're
too scared, dude.
I got traction control we can set up. So.
All right, bro. Yeah, we'll definitely get some content soon. I think it's crazy, bro. This is like such a work of art, bro. Like, it's so freaking like well built. Like, it doesn't even look real, bro. It looks like it looks like AI, bro. That's insane. We're definitely gonna do some content soon. Definitely gotta link up with the boys over in Arizona and just film a whole bunch of content with them. It's always dope seeing them. They're all from Arizona. All right, later, guys. That's crazy. I think it's so sick. Literally the sickest second gen out there.